Hello, I'm Janice and I hope you're all doing well. So during this extended period spent at home, I've started to watch a lot more TikTok videos. They're actually very addictive, so be careful before you jump on that train. And some videos that have really drawn my attention are ones in relation to food hacks and cooking hacks. And in today's video, I'm gonna put some of these food hacks and cooking hacks to the test to see if they are maybe too good to be true. All right, the first food hack that we're gonna do is a breakfast quesadilla recipe. I am really intrigued by this because it looks so delicious and it took them like 2 minutes to make it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. Let's just watch the video first and then I'll show you the ingredients that we've got.
I've been seeing this breakfast trend going around for a while, so I'm gonna try it now. Put 3 eggs down in a pan, roll them around a little bit. Now season it with salt and pepper and let it cook for a little bit. So now just when the eggs are about done, you're gonna put a tortilla shell on top. Now flip it over, add cheese, add bacon. Now flip it over and continue toasting it on both sides. And now you have a breakfast quesadilla.
So we've got 3 eggs, we've got cheese, we've got wraps, and we've also got bacon, but I'm gonna add tomatoes to the wrap as well. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cook the bacon first, and then I'm gonna put the egg into the pan, season it, and then make it all beautiful and pretty. Okay, I got myself a small corner of this breakfast quesadilla. I feel like it looked better in the video, but it smells pretty alright. And I put too much filling in, I was too greedy, and it all came out when, when I was trying to flip it in the pan. But it's good though. It's actually really nice. It tastes a lot better than it looks, I promise. Okay, so we're just done with our first hack. The breakfast quesadilla tasted a lot better than it looked. Like, we finished everything. So the flavors are definitely there, but it's something that I'll definitely try again because I feel like there's a lot of room for me to improve in terms of making it look a bit more aesthetic. But for our next hack, we will actually be leaving this kitchen and we're gonna be going for a drive. Okay, so one of the hacks that I've seen on TikTok is in relation to when you order food from McDonald's. Let me just roll that quick clip so you can see what I'm talking about. The way that they've assembled is that you can hold your drink, your chips, and your burger in one hand and then pretty much eat with the other hand. So let's put that to the test. So this is the burger and you put the straw like in between. So it holds like this. And then I need to put like the chips on the other end so it doesn't topple over. Okay, I'm switching it up. I'm gonna pour the fries in here first and then go from there. Okay. And then slip it in just like. Why is this so much more difficult when I do it? Okay, it kind of works. Let's see if this topples when I grab my burger. It works a lot better if it's just the chips and the drink. If I had to grab the burger, it keeps moving a lot and I feel like I'm gonna drop something anytime soon. I like the idea of it, but in terms of execution, maybe I just didn't execute it well. If you can do it well, let me know how you do it. Because I can't eat the burger without this whole thing toppling over. All right, on to the next hack. All right, we are back, and in this hack, we are gonna try an easy egg sandwich. Here's what the video looks like. Okay, so we've got 2 eggs, we've got bread, we've got cheese, and we've got tomato. Okay, so this is the cheese, egg, tomato toast. Let's give it a go. I've been eating way too much cheese in the last few videos, but man, this is so delicious. It's also a relatively easy way to have everything in the sandwich and just melt through. I do find it really hard to flip the sandwiches. I don't know if it's just my lack of skills, but like every time I flip it, like I needed 2 hands and 2 utensils to like flip it perfectly together. But overall, I think this works as well. I quite like this hack, so it's good in my eyes. Okay, so for our next hack, we're kind of jumping back in time because I filmed this a little bit before. But this hack is in relation to how to eat overnight pizzas.
Get a pan and set it over medium heat. Get your leftover pizza and just throw it on. Yeah, I took a bite out of this one. Put a lid over top. Depending on how big your pizza is, just set a timer for like 3 to 5 minutes and let it go. The benefit of this method is that it starts to re-melt the cheese just like an oven does, and you get a nice crisp bottom. Just listen to that crispy crust.
So one of the TikTok hacks is to put your cold pizza on the pan instead of the microwave, because it just crisps up the base and the cheese on the pizza melts again, and it's like it was fresh out of the oven. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing right now. Okay, so the base is now extremely crisp. You hear that? It's so much better than putting it in the microwave. It's like it's all fresh again, look. I like this hack. And for our next hack, this is in relation to a garlic parmesan bread. This is that video.
How to make simple roasted garlic.
Take a head of garlic, cut the top off. Put it on a piece of foil, salt, pepper, olive oil. Wrap it up. Roast in the oven for 45 minutes at 400 degrees. Once it's roasted, unwrap it. Squeeze out the insides. Try spreading it on bread with a shaving of Parmesan. That's a good snack.
So I've got the garlic, I've got the bread, and I've got the cheese that was left over from my previous video when I tried to make the perfect grilled cheese. But let's put this to the test. I'm excited because I actually really like garlic. Okay, we've just added salt and pepper and olive oil to the garlic. I forgot to put it on the foil, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And then we'll put it in the oven for 40 minutes. Okay, I just checked, our garlic is pretty much done, and now we're gonna assemble our cheesy garlic bread snack. So I'm actually not gonna add too much cheese. So 1 slice of bread, I will do exactly what the video told me to do. And another video, I'm going to add a little bit of butter, add a little bit of the garlic, and then see how we go. Okay, so I forgot to turn on my mic in the next bit, so here's my attempt at voiceover. Okay. This is garlic with butter. It's really good. This tastes like garlic bread. Wow. I really like it. Now I'm gonna try it how they recommended it, which is the garlic and then the cheese. So having it with the cheese, it tastes really good, but it tastes equally fine without the cheese. I like this more than garlic breads that I get at supermarkets. It's just the garlic flavor is so much stronger, but it's not overbearing. All right, and that is it for the food hacks and cooking hacks video today. If you have any other hacks that you want me to try, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any other video ideas that you want to see on this channel, let me know in the comments below as well. I post new videos every Tuesdays and Fridays. Check them out if you have time. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Alright, and that is... 媽咪你啲膠袋好大聲，一路講一齊，嚓嚓嚓嚓嚓嚓。